This video is about how to plant Tsaang Gubat. Tsaang Gubat is an indigenous medicinal herb found in the Philippines, and it is proven to be excellent treatments for biliary colic and have anti-motility effects. The 3 essential requirements in gardening: space for your containers, clean source of water, sunlight. Satisfy these basic requirements to encourage your plants to grow. Also, consider the habits of the plant and which part of the plant is medicinally useful. The suggested method in growing Tsaang Gubat is through cuttings. To cut the cutting of your Tsaang Gubat plant, you simply have to cut through an old part or branch that shows an old bark. Here's an example of a Tsaang Gubat cutting. Put the cutting in a cup of water so that the water propagation process allows the cutting to establish good roots, and this process will increase chances of growth when transplanted in a soil substrate. After signs of fruit growth, transfer the cutting in your gardening pot. Water the plants after planting and every other day or as needed. Plants should be kept in moderate shade to retain moisture. Tsaang Gubat leaves can be collected 7 to 8 months after sowing. Harvest only the mature and healthy leaves for home remedy purposes.